We're gonna respray this rear bumper here and get it installed on the RSX. Should be looking mint. Okay, now's the time. I've been working for this for a very long time. I've been saving up to get this bumper resprayed, and it's finally time to get it out of here, get a colored match and put it on the car. I'm definitely very excited to have this fitted onto the car. And honestly, it's been taking over my life. Like, this bumper here in the middle has been taking over my whole entire room. I have no space to walk just to keep these parts here. But yeah, this is a genuine Type R rear bumper with the rear Type R lip. And we're gonna get a color match today. But first, before we do any of that, I have to take it, I actually have to install it on the car to make sure everything fits perfect. All the tabs fit correctly, everything screws up perfectly. So then I could feel 100% confident to take it to the shop and put that money into the rear bumper. So first things first, we gotta go install this bumper and see if everything fits perfectly. This thing fits amazing. There was a huge gap with the previous bumper right in this area, but this thing fits snug. Or maybe the other person didn't install it right, but when I did it, everything fits aligned. Check this out. Everything's fitting perfect. So next thing to do is simply to go send it to the shop, get it painted, and we're good from there. Okay, there she is. All done. It's finally installed. And it's looking pretty amazing. So you can see the lines here. The lip fit pretty good as well. It's like gum right here or something. Even the spoon exhaust is not poking out as much anymore. It's almost flush to the bumper. With the previous stock RSX Type S bumper, it was poking out a bit, but with the Type R lip, it almost makes it flush, as you can see there. So makes it a bit better. Although it looks kind of tiny in that hole there. But I like how it sounds, so I'm gonna just leave it there. Besides that, the bumper's fitting pretty good. So you can see some more of the lines. It's kind of sticking out here. It doesn't want to grab on for some reason. I guess because the paint might have made it a bit thicker, so it doesn't want to grab onto the tabs. But it's not too bad. So you can see right here. Now this side, I had a little more trouble. There was actually a huge gap right here. As you can tell, there's probably a little tiny gap there, but it was worse. The tabs, again, didn't want to grab onto the bumper, and I'm thinking the paint was just too thick. The fresh paint was just too thick, so I had to like really push it in there to stay there, and it's still kind of not really hooked on there. But I guess it's something I'm gonna have to keep working on, and hopefully I could keep it like this. But overall, it's pretty amazing. Let's just do a quick walk around. This is how it looks. By the way, the paint came out perfect too. It almost matches the rest of the body. I'm sure I can't really tell. It matches to me in my eyes, but maybe somebody else could really notice that maybe the silver is a bit brighter than the rest of the body. But To me, it looks pretty much identical. So next up, we're gonna work on those side skirts. As you can tell right there, it's looking a bit funky. And I already actually purchased new A-Spec side skirts, and I test fit them, and they look pretty amazing. Now I just gotta get them painted as well to make them look as fresh. And I need to mod them a little bit so they could fit on there securely and properly. And that's gonna be on the next video, so you definitely stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.